Hello and welcome to this new section in this new course, AI for Time Management Excellence. And here we're going to give you an overview of how to use AI for time management excellence. So, the purpose of this section is to give you an overview to help you use AI for excellence in time management. And we will begin by learning about how to use AI to build such an excellence in time management. What are the various building blocks, things that you can do to become excellence in time management using AI? So, how do you think you can use AI for excellence in time management? Any thoughts? Anything that you know? You know, AI can become a powerful ally for achieving excellence in time management, provided you know how to integrate it with your daily workflow. So that is the critical piece. The AI can only help if you can integrate the practices that it will teach you into your daily workflow. Otherwise, it will remain only as a theoretical thing. So that's the overall direction. Let's take a look at few structured ways of doing this. So first you need to use AI for smart planning and scheduling. And for that, there are two things you can do. You can start using AI calendar assistants like Google Calendar, Microsoft Copilot, Reclaim AI, etc. And these tools, help you learn. They actually learn your preferences, prioritize tasks, and automatically schedule meetings or future blocks of time. So that's how these AI calendar assistants do. Second thing you can do is in planning and scheduling for smart way is to do predictive reminders in which AI analyzes your work habits and suggests the best times for deep work, breaks, or exercise. So you can do such smart planning and scheduling with these two tools. Second thing you can need to do with the help of AI is to prioritize and automate the task. Now, again, there are two things we will talk about here. One, you can use AI to-do lists, to-do list with AI, Notion AI, etc. Now, what do they do? They prioritize the tasks during urgency, importance, and deadline instead of leaving you to decide. So you are automating the task prioritization. Second thing, you can also automate the repetitive task. How? Now, AI can handle, email sorting, meeting summaries, or data entries, and that frees up time for you to do other important and strategic work. So you can use AI for task prioritization and automation like this. Third thing, with the help of AI, you can do is to boost your productivity by focusing better. And what are the tools that you can use there? There are AI-based focus tools like Rescue Time, Freedom AI, which can track distractions, suggest focus periods, and block unproductive websites. So that's how you can improve your focus. Second thing it can do is you can do is to use AI nudges. Now, some apps have behavioral AI to remind you when you are multitasking too much or spending too low on a low value task. So, like this, doing these two things, AI nudges and focus tools, you can improve your productivity. You can boost your productivity and focus as well. The fourth thing you can use for you with AI is your personal insights and reflection. Now, there are two tools again we will talk about here. One, you can use AI analytics on your time use. Now, there are tools like Clockify AI or Timely, which can analyze how you spend time and they can suggest improvements on how can you use your time better. And then there are AI journaling and reflection tools like Reflectly, Mem AI that can help you track daily productivity and align time spent with your long-term goals. So such tools can help you improve your personal insights and reflection and improve your productivity. The fifth thing you can do is to delegate and support to have decision support better. And there are again two key tools that we will talk about here. One is you can You can start using AI email assistants like superhuman AI, Gmail AI, which can draft responses, summarize threads, and flag priority emails. Second thing you can do is you can use AI powered decision tools, where you can, which can help you quickly compare options and save hours on research and back and forth thinking. So you can become a AI powered decision intelligence, right? The sixth thing you can do is for lifelong learning and continuous improvement, you can use couple of tools. Now, AI can track how much time you invest in skill building versus execution and recommend micro learning sessions during gaps. So that's what AI can do for you. And over time, AI learns your rhythms and suggests optimized routine for peak performance. So AI can help you learn lifelong and continue to make improvement for peak performance. Next, what is the key tip for excellence? If we were to pick one we would say is that don't just use AI for managing tasks. That's important. That's useful. But use it to optimize energy, focus, and decision making so that you spend time on the highest value activities. You derive lot more value from your time and manage your time better. And that's all time management excellence is all about, isn't it? So what do we do next now? So having looked at these building blocks, we will now look at few case studies of AI actually helping build excellence in time management. And we will take a look at three detailed case studies on how AI has helped professionals and organizations achieve excellence in time management. So thank you so much for watching this first overview lecture in this course, AI for Time Management Excellence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy it, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need.